Hi guys, this is Mohan here. Today my video is about how to save photos in Google Drive. So guys, it's very easy. So in desktop, in here's my photos. I have saved in photos folder. Now I will double click it to show you. So now I have to save this photo in Google Drive. So it's very easy. So what I will do, I will open my web browser, and in web browser I will type google.com. In google.com, on the top right corner you will see there is a 9 dots button. I will tap that button. That button is for Google Apps. So now on these apps I will look for Google Drive. Now here's the Google Drive. I will select this, and now the Google Drive is open. Now on the top left corner you will see there is a button, the first button, plus new button. I will tap that button, and now I will select the third option, folder upload. Now what I will do, now I will upload the photos folder from my desktop. Now I will select desktop. In desktop I will look for photos folder. So here's the photo folder. Now I will select upload button. Now I will again select the uploads. It's asking on this upload will all files from photos. Only do this if you trust the site. Tap the upload button, and guys, now you will see that folder is uploaded. It's showing uploading one item. It's photos 11 of 11. Its photos are uploaded now. Now I will double click to open this folder to see if the photos are saved. See guys, the photos are saved. So guys, this way you can save your photos in Google Drive. So first, transfer your photos in your computer, or if you have the photos in your mobile phone, you can download Google Drive app from the App Store or from your Play Store if you are using Android phone. Thanks guys. If you have liked my video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.